Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0. For my dear audience, in this video I will describe some different and much beautiful ideas of DIY woodworking project, craft, decor ideas or woodworking project designs. Dear audience, when we talk about woodworking, then different questions arise in our mind, like as what is woodworking, or what is the purpose of woodworking, or what is a woodworking construction, or how do you introduce uh, woodworking for kids, for children, for benefits for beginners. So, dear audience, when we talk about woodworking, then woodworking is the process of making decorative and beautiful and useful objects from wood, like cabinet, uh, fine tables, instrument, balls, and more. So, it encompasses technique like the wood carving, joinery, and wood turning. It is a relatively simple to learning basic woodworking skill, and with every project you will gain new expertise. So, dear audience, if we talk about the purpose of a woodworking, then for my dear audience, woodworking is a skill for making items from wood, and includes cabinetry or furniture making, and I also wood carving, joinery. It is used for as a carpentry. Wood is used, and wood turning. So wooden house with the wooden furniture, spinning wheel, loom, and various tool. Artists can use woodworking to create a delicate sculpture. It's also a purpose of woodworking for purpose of decoring or different design, for making our home interior beautiful lookness, or exterior, we can say that, um, for playing our boys different purpose, or for wall decoring purpose. It can be a different manner we can use it. So, if we talk about woodworking construction or sites, so woodworking is defined as the craft of carpentry, cabinet making, and related skill of making things from wood. So, joinery is defined introduced as frame and panel construction, or alternatively as the work of a joiner. So, the fabrication and installation of fitting in buildings in different ways and different manners, for beautiful interior of our sitting rooms, or our other decorative rooms, for any purpose, like as a marriage anniversary or birthday anniversary or different other anniversary we can use, or we can use in it in a hoteling position, or for decorating purpose by a bottle. Yeah, and recycle and upcycle we can use, sitting a table in a hotel, or any other different restaurant, VIP's restaurant, we can use it. We can use it for strawberry as a seesaw. We can use it for our playing games for our different children, and for playing moods of our different children, of our guys, dear audience, guys. So, dear audience, when we talk about woodworking introduced as a kids woodworking, then a piece of strand paper and wood, styrofoam, we can golf tees, and a small rubber mallet, and from there you can introduce a piece of wood with several screw started and a screwdriver. So introduce one tool and one scale at a time. So incorporate a learning unit on trees, woods, and uses forwards. So if we talk about the steps of woodworking, then Almost every woodworking project involves though the same step, like as a cutting lumber to size, creating the joinery and decor, so assembly, surface preparation, and finishing. So within these steps, there are hundreds of different ways to use a tool or combination of tools to help accomplish each step. So if we talk about a topic, then topics include finishing, joinery, design, process, and anything related to a building project can use woods in on large scale. Dear audience, if we talk about say, its economical position or social condition, it can be waste minded and we can use it in broadly. We can import a special wood for our different countries for making a beautiful and eye pulling means eye stretching means we can made from things these woods which are very costly from which is imported by different countries. So wood work has a significant impact on children's self-esteem and confidence, and it develops a sense of agency that can do mindset. So woodwork is a medium for children to express their creativity and imagination. So it is important not to set project whereby all the children create the same. So dear audience, if we what is woodworking especially called, also known construction, also known as woodworking, it is a special encyclopedia Britannica editor oversees subject areas in which they have extensive knowledge, whether from year of experience gained by working on that content or via study for an advanced degree. So, if we talk about say, its advantage in a business point of view, so one of the key advantage of woodworking is the ability to provide a customized product. So, customer often seek personalized and unique item, and woodworking business can fulfill these demanded by offering tailored solution and design it can be used. So, dear audience, when we talk about is a woodworking hobby, then the craft of woodworking has been around for thousands of years. And while the tool have gotten a lot more sophisticated, the basic sight, sounds, and smells are the same. So, to those in the now, creating object with wood just feels right. So, it make a fantastic hobby or a fulfilling career we can use woodworking. So, if we call the woodworking specifically example, we but are not limited to and hand drum, totem poles, animal figureness, fall carving, and questions embellish long house posts, clown house corridors and chairs, relief panels, bentwood boxes, snow googles, red and yellow cedar, sea-going canoe paddles, so hunting hats, spirit mask bows and arrows. It's also woodworking. Conditionally, we can say it is a much use of woodworking. So, dear audience, I think that my video and my idea inspired you much, and I think that it is a more interesting for you. If interesting, then subscribe my channel and like my video and share my video with your affectionate love and lovely spirit of your children. So, thank you very much, guys. Once again, thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.